many dreams, yeah, in my life. I dream a lot of things in my life. You dream, I dream, they dream, we dream. Cause we don't be satisfied for what we have. We have different dreams in our life. We dream of getting rich, being famous, being scholars and so. We dream those ordinary dreams, forgetting that one day we'll leave this world. We will go with no dream, we dream, yeah. Sorrowful, yeah. My biggest dreams to see you, seeing you be my pleasure. But no one is like you. I wish to see you, seeing you be my pleasure. But no one is like you. And I wish to face the prophet Muhammad and be with him in Jannah.
I dream of freedom, I dream of peace of mind, I dream of love, supernatural love, and everything I have makes me long for more. And the more that I have, the more I long for more. So this makes me realize that this world will never satisfy my heart, no matter how much I obtain. So my dream for Jannah grows day by day, and I pray to Allah to guide me all the way till I make it to His paradise, the home of satisfaction. My biggest dreams to see you, seeing you be my pleasure. But no one is like you, Allah. I wish to see you, seeing you be my pleasure. But no one is like you, Allah. And I wish to face the prophet Muhammad and be with him in Jannah. On this side, we are just passing by, like a river from the mountain, and never can water turn back to the town. We dream the dream that can never save us from the
We'll never take fire with you when you go.
Whoa. Your words will never follow you, relatives won't save you, only your deeds will do you good or bad. So now is the best time to work for your Jannah. Remember Allah, He will remember.
My biggest dreams to see you, seeing you be my pleasure. Cause no one is like you, Allah. I wish to see you, seeing you be my pleasure. Cause no one is like you, Allah. And I wish to face the prophet. I wish to face the prophet and be with him in Jannah. So many dreams, yeah, in my life. I dream a lot of things in my life. You dream, I dream, they dream, we dream. Cause we don't be satisfied for what we have. We have different dreams in our life. We dream of getting rich, being famous, being scholars and so.